So the 54th question, the sum of the cubes of two given natural numbers is 9728, while the sum of the two given numbers is 32. What is the positive difference between the cubes of the two given numbers? So what is given here is, suppose we have one number x and another number is 32 minus x. So why 32 minus x? Because the sum of the two numbers is given as 32. So we can assume the other number as 32 minus x. So these two numbers are there. And what is given here? Here x cube plus 32 minus x the whole cube is given as 9728. So this is given here. Now what we have to do is we have to find out the value of x and find out the difference between the cube of the two numbers. So how we will do that? We have to expand this given information first. So how we will expand this? First, for that you need to know the identity, the algebraic identity, that is x cube. So that is x plus y the whole cube. So here in this case x minus y the whole cube you should know. So this will be x cube minus 3 x square y plus 3 x y square minus y cube. So this is the algebraic identity that we are going to use here. Okay. So using this identity we can easily expand. So we can easily expand what is given in the question. So this will be x cube. We will keep it as such. Now it's on expanding 32 minus x the whole cube, we get 32 the whole cube minus 3 into 32 the whole square multiplied by x plus 3 into 32 multiplied by x the whole square minus what? Minus x cube. So this is what we get on expanding. Now from this, as you can also, we can easily cancel the h cube. So don't forget to So we can easily cancel the first x cube and the last minus x cube. Now what we can do? We can again write it and simplify it. So 32 the whole cube minus 3 into 32 square x plus 3 x square into 32 equal to 9728. So from these, every terms here have 32. So we can take it outside and cancel with the 9728. 728. So on cancelling the 32 from each of these terms with the 9728, what we will get, let's see. So here it will be 32 the whole square minus 3 into 32, that is basically 96x plus 3x square. So this will be 9728 divided by 32. So on dividing this, what we will get? We will get 300. This will be equal to 304. So now expanding this, 32 the whole square is 1024. So 1024 minus 96x plus 3x square is equal to 304. So here also, if you see, we can take 3 outside from this. Or before that, we can take this 304 to the left hand side and cancel this number. So what we will get is, we get 720. So 720 minus 96x plus 3x square is equal to 0. So from this we can take 3 outside, then what we'll get is, we get 240 minus 32x plus x square equal to 0. So here we got a quadratic equation. Now we can easily find out the value of x from this by splitting the middle term or finding out the factors. So we can rewrite this as x square. So what we need here, we need the product of the two numbers to be 240 and the sum of the two numbers to be 32. So the ideal numbers for this will be x square minus 20x and 20 plus 12 will be 32. So minus 12x plus 240 is equal to 0. So from this we can get the factors as x minus 20 and what will be the other one? It will be x minus 12. This will be equal to 0. So from this we get the value of x equal to 20 comma 12. So 20 and 12 are the two numbers that we are looking for. So now what we have to do is, we have to find out the difference between their cubes. That is 20 cube minus 12 cube. So that will be 20 cube is 8,000. 20 cube is 8,000. So again 12 cube. What will be 12 cube? It is 1,728. So the answer will be, so the answer will be 6,272. So we have the option number 1 as our answer. So what you need is to know is basically the expansion of this identity, and then you can easily solve this. It took me a while to explain this to you, uh, like it is for I explained it as it is for a beginners. So if you know the expansion, this will be easy.